What's up, y'all? So I just got my drone back, brand spanking new. Well, not really brand spanking new, but I just wanted to give you guys a couple of pointers about sending your drone out to get it fixed from DJI Repair, and to make sure that you guys don't end up spending more money than you actually have to. Make sure you keep the gimbal lock that comes with your drone, just the little plastic piece that you get that's holding the gimbal together so it doesn't break while they're sending it to you. Yeah, keep that thing so if you have to send it back out, you can actually use that to make sure you only pay for the stuff that you broke and not that broke just getting it there. Also, you figure out what the problem is first too, if you can. I mean, YouTube it, Google it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys those couple tips to help you out if you're sending your drone out to get it fixed by DJI. And since I'm down here in downtown Grand Rapids, I figured I might as well shoot some drone footage since I got my drone back up and going. So check out my first test flight, I guess.
Peace.
Peace.